Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 5th of March 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. Okay, so now question number 1. Which company recently launched Anubhav, a mobile showroom? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Tata Motors. So recently the Tata Motors has launched a mobile showroom named as Anubhav to target rural customers by increasing their reach in the rural area and providing them with a doorstep car buying experience. So basically the Tata Motors will deploy a total of 103 mobile showroom across the country to an exchange the Tata Motors brand awareness in rural area. Okay, so now question number 2. Which nation has India signed an agreement with for a long-term supply of urea and DAP fertilizer? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Nepal. So recently India and Nepal have entered into a MOU during a virtual ceremony. So the MOU was signed for the long-term supply of urea and DAP fertilizers. So it will be supplied to Nepal from India under government to government agreement. So basically the MOU was signed by the India Secretary, that is Rajesh Kumar Chaturvedi, and Nepal Secretary, that is Dr. Govinda Prasad Sharma. So the MOU will be an exchange agricultural cooperation between both the countries. Apart from that, it will an exchange the economy and food security in Nepal. So the MOU was signed to fulfill shortage of fertilizer being faced and an exchange agriculture productivity in Nepal. Okay, so now question number 3. Under the Appscale Academy initiative, which entity will provide training to the companies to help them build applications and games? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is both A and C. So recently the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has partnered with Google. So they have partnered for a program named as Appscale Academy. Under this program, both entities will support a group of 100 Indian mid-stage startups to develop their apps and games. So basically the startup was shortlisted as per their application of the product, quality of product and innovation. So around 400 startup has applied for the program, out of which 100 are selected. Apart from that, the 6 months of training will be given under the program, in which 100 selected startup will be trained through a customized circular. Apart from that, there will be a virtual instructor lead webinar, self-learning materials and monitorship session. Okay, do you remember the Union Minister of Electronic and Information Technology is named as Ashwani Vaishnav. The headquarters of Google situated in US, and the CEO of Google name is Sundar Pichai. Okay, so now question number 4. Which insurance company in India has launched the FG Dog Health Cover? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Future General India Insurance Company Limited. So recently the Future General India Insurance Company Limited has launched FG Dog Health Cover, which is the health insurance for pet dogs. It is launched along with the industry first emergency pet minding cover. So basically the policy provides insurance cover to the dogs aged between 6 months to 4 years for the joint breed and 7 years for the small, medium and large dog breeds. So the premium amount start at $323 per month. Okay, so now question number 5. Which bank partners with Edelweiss Housing Finance Limited to provide property loan to small medium enterprise? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Standard Chartered Bank. So recently, the Edelweiss Housing Finance Limited, in partnership with Standard Chartered Bank, to grant property loan to the MSME. Under this co-lending partnership, the Edelweiss Housing Finance Limited will retain 20% of loan at its end, and the remaining 80% will be retained at the Standard Chartered Bank. Do you remember the headquarters of Standard Chartered Bank situated in London in UK, and the headquarters of Edelweiss Housing Finance Limited situated in Mumbai. So now question number 6. To meet the liquidity management needs of the institutional client, which bank recently announced Corporate Liquidity Management Solution and Government Liquidity Management Solution? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is IDBI Bank. So recently the IGPI Bank has launched Corporate Liquidity Management Solution and the Government Liquidity Management Solution to fulfill the liquidity management need of institutional clients. So basically both types of liquidity management solution will offer real-time web-based solution to the bank customer. So the solution will include tools to the forecast cash position in the bank, automate fund transfer and many more. So basically the corporate liquidity management solution and government liquidity management solution will grant efficiency in the management of the liquidity. Okay, so now question number 7. Who is the first to launch the Rbi Grade pre-apply LIC IPO app? So the correct answer of this question is option C. So recently, the Rbi Grade pre-apply LIC IPO app was launched by the Rbi Grade Broking Limited. It will be the one-stop solution for the investor to open a demat account and pre-apply for LIC IPO. Okay, so now question number 8. What was the name of the International Loan Agency Vice President? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Jumet Kamal Ahmed. So recently Jumet Kamal Ahmed was named as the Vice President of the International Lending Agency. He will lead the Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency as a Vice President operation. So basically the Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency is one of the 5 organizations under the World Bank Group. So he is the country director for the World Bank in India since September 2016. Okay, so now question number 9. In March 2022, what was the topic of the third NIC Tech Conclave? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is next generation technology for digital government. So recently the third NIC Tech Conclave was inaugurated by Union Communication and IT Minister, that is Ashwani Vaishnav in New Delhi. So the event was organized by the National Information Center. The theme of the conclave is Next Generation Technology for Digital Government. So the IT experts from industrial backgrounds share their views in various areas like artificial intelligence, data analytics, next generation database solution, cyber security, future of the clouds, and various e-government solutions. So the conclave aims to exchange the IT sector, develop ICT technology and their use in various cases. So the conclave provides a platform to understand new technologies and application. Okay, so now last question. Who was recently appointed the brand ambassador for UpGrad, a firm that provides online higher education? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Amitabh Bachchan. So recently, the Amitabh Bachchan was appointed as a brand ambassador of the UpGrad, which is the online higher education company. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this session. These were the important news and events for today which are related to the business, economics and financial sector. We meet again with some more important current affairs. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and please do not forget to subscribe GK Today.